Hello students, I'm Dr. Kumar Rathwar, Assistant Professor of Kamalbharatya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today's topic is developmental and milestone of the infant. So, uh, what is the milestone and why should we assess? So, the answer is to reassure parents early diagnosis and management of disability, feedback for obstetrician and neonatologist prevention in next sibling. Four aspects of development. First, motor, body posture and large movement, fine motor, vision, manipulative skills, hearing and speech. And fourth, social behavior and spontaneous play. Development assessment is the most conventional divided into four phases. About four: motor, fine movement, hearing and speech, and social behavior and spontaneous play. So here is Trivandrum developmental screening chart. First, social smile, starting from social smile, eye rolling, pen and pencil, holding head steady, roll from back to the stomach, turning head to a round of pen rattle, transfer object hand to hand, raise self to sitting position, standing up by furniture, fine prehension, spell it, pet a cake, walk with help, throw ball, walk alone, say two words and walk backward, walk upstairs with help, and point to part of all three parts. It is the Trivandrum Development Scheme Chart, TDSC, Child Development Center project. It is it is built up in Trivandrum, so its chart's name is Trivandrum Developmental Screen Chart. So, what is the screening score? So first is gross motor, fine motor, language, social, and bonding sign for further evaluation. So gross motor is 4 to 6 weeks. First is supine, head on side, pensing hand, closing thumb of pull, sitting head momentally, erect and fall, holding sitting, backward curve, ventral suspension, withdrawn, walking, stepping, and 3 months supine. Head is middle, hand open, move arm, symmetrical, pull to sit rigorously. So gross motors is divided in weeks to month, 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months. Same as fine motors defined as 4 to 6 weeks, 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months. So this all are screening score, developmental screening score. That is helpful to note infant development and motor skills. Now, developmental milestone ages. First month, raise head slightly when prone, alert to sound, regard face, move extremities equally. 2 to 3 months, smile holding head up, reaching for family object, recognize parents. 4 to 5 months, rolling front to back and back to front, sit well when probed, laugh, orient to voice, enjoy looking around, grasp rattles, bear some weight of legs. And 6 months, sit unsupportively, passes cups hand to hand, bubbles, huge wrecking grabs, feeds self cracks. And 8 to 9 months, crawls, crouches, falls to stand, pincer grabs, play pet a cake, feed self with the bottle, sit without support, explosive environment. And 12 months, walking, talking, a few months, understanding no, says mama, dada, discriminately throw object, intimate actions, marked with crayon, drinking from a cup. And again 15 to 18 months, come when cold, scribblings, walk forward, use 4 to 20 word, build tower 2 blocks, and 24 to 30 months, remove shoes, follow to stop command, jump with both feet, hold pencil, nose first and last name, nose pronounce, parallel play, point to body parts, runs spoon feeding self and copies parents. 3 years, dress up and undress up, walk up and down step, draw a circle, use 3 to 4 sentence, talks turn, takes turn, shares, group play. 4 year hoops, skip, sketches, ball, memorize, songs, play, coordinately, knows colors, copies the circle, use tools. Then 5 years, it's a big children, jumps over objects, print first name, knows address, mother's name, follow game rules, draws 3 parts, man, oops, etc. So prevalence is low frequency and high morbidity. Diseases is cerebral palsy, visual and hearing impairment, autism and mental retardation. And now high frequency and low morbidity is learning disability and ADHD. Clinical presentation. First of all, early infancy. Early infancy, poor suck, abnormal tone, lack of response to auditory and visual stimuli. Late infancy, motor delay. Post and third year, language and behavioral abnormality. School entry, ADH, learning disability. Attention deficit hyperactive disorder, ADHD. Three-part assessment, history, medical and social. First of all, we take history, medical or social, examination, general and CNS, developmental screenings for the charts. Risk factor, prematurity, adverse prenatal events, family history, warning signals, mother suspicious, inattentions to sound, developmental history trickling to milestone. Physical examinations, first growth parameter, cognitive anomalies, skin finding, eye finding, abnormal faces, organomegaly, etc. Neurological examinations, first classically, second extended examinations like symmetrical, quality of movement, primitive reflexes, postural response. Here is seizuring posture. In cerebral palsy, legs are Caesar shaped, unable to stand up in own legs. Order to testing, development examination prior to PE, language, social, fine, and gross motor. Spend some time in making friendship. Just observe him while he plays. Do quickly and efficiently. Ideal environment for assessment, place mother's lap, none tethering. Time, not hungry, not sleepy, not sick, and not fatigued. Method by history, observation to play, and formal examinations occur. Now, primitive reflexes is persistent beyond this is abnormal. Palmar grass 3 to 4 months. Moro reflex 5 months. Asymmetrical tonal reflex 6 months. And plantar grasp reflex 9 to 12 months. Play event. Mouthing 6 months to 12 months. Bruxism when a walk usually suggests mental subnormality and regard 2 to 6 months. Casting, throwing 1 and 1.5 year. Handed less more than 24 months. Tripod holding of pen more than 2.5 years. Drooling usually stop after 1 year. Testing of hearing. Response to noise. Startle, blinks, screw up eyes, cries or freeze in response to noise. Distraction testing 6 to 18 months. Operating testing 18 to 30 months. Performance test and speech discriminations. Testing vision. First month, fixing one fixing on mother face. 2 month, follow objects at 90 centimeter through 90 degree. 3 month through 180 degree. 10 month, pick up resin. First month, pick up hundreds and thousands. 2 to 3 years, miniature toys at 9 feet. 3 to 5 year, stick our matching letter. More than 5 year, same length chart. Here, newborn, ventral suspension. 6 month head in same plane. 18 week head held up. 12-week floppy child. This was a this is occur in Down syndrome baby. 4th week complete head leg, lifting head slightly. 2-month partially head leg, and 4-month no head leg. 6-month chin off couch intermediately. 12-month forearm support. 24-month hand support. It is developmental score. 10 to 20 week hand regard. 44-week creeping position, and 52-week bear walk. 6-month immature grabs. 8-month intermediate grabs. 1 year mature grabs, and 10-month index finger approach. 10-month pincer grabs, that is pincer grabs. 3-week palmar grasp reflex. 4-week rootling reflex. 4-week visual tracking. 6-week concentrating on rattle. 6-week social smile. 4-month head control, eye contact. 4-month holding head looking further away. 5th month palmar grabs biting the rattle. 5-month reaching out for rattle. 6-month bearing weight on legs. 6-month holding and exploring rattle. Turning off the sound of rattle. 6-month. 6-month sitting with support. Examination the mat. Sit steadily. 7-month. 10-month finding hiding object. 1 year examining the soap box with interest. Communicate with gesture. 1 year. Walk with broad base. 1 year. Making gesture to communicate. 1 year. 1 year intimate and copy. So, what is the causes of motor delay? Normal and familiar variation, bottom shuffling, chronic illness, cerebral palsy, neuromuscular disease, DMD and SMA, orthopedic defects, and emotional neglect. Warning signal in language development. First of all, risk of deafness, mother suspicious, no response to everyday sounds, no repetitive bubble at 10 months, no word by 21 months, and not putting 2 to 3 words together by 2.5 years. Language delay, reception is well advanced than expression. Hearing defect, familial and genetic, global delay, autism and environmental. Global delay, chromosomal defect, some syndromes, cerebral palsy, structural brain defect, neurometabolic problem, and postnatal causes. Factor affecting development, genetic, physical, nutritional, emotional, sociocultural, and neurological. Development coefficient computed by the following formula. It is very important. Development quotient is developmental age upon chronological age into 100. Development quotient. Development assessment scale is very important. Denver development chart, Baroda development screening chart, Trivandrum development screening chart, Barley scale of infant development, and development assessment scale for Indian infant. Bone ages. At birth, up to 4 months, knees and hip. 4 to 12 months shoulder. 1 to 10-year wrist, and more than 8 to 14-year elbow. Left side bone are assessed. To conclude, screen the development in all well children. Observe his play and spontaneous activity. Use Trivandrum development screening chart to screen. Go little more deeper with developmental chart if there is suspicious. Keep the chart over the table. Thank you. I hope this video is very informative and beneficial to you.